Logic and Binary here at LB Dexter at Logic and Binary. We are back, and as you can see, we have rhyme. Believe it or not, I haven't taken any yet. Actually wanted to do this video first before we set off on the journey of a couple more videos, because I'm just not feeling it, man. I'm tired. Apparently, there's this big controversy. There's supposed to be a ton of caffeine in these things, and I guess they're dangerous now. Is that what's going on? They're dangerous? Then why you got me trying them? I'm gonna be the guinea pig, huh? Okay. Hey, yeah, these are dangerous. Here, go ahead, give it a shot. I know what we can do. Just do a video. Danger? Hell nah. My shit is fight or flight. My middle name is Flight. I'm off. I'm gone. You wouldn't believe this if I told you, but I could run like the wind blows. All right, so we've got two flavors here. We've got Tropical Punch, and as you can see by the ring on the table, they are pretty close. They are pretty. Why can't I say that? They are pretty cold. I don't know what I'm doing here. Are we doing this? Are we doing ASMR? Drum roll, please. ASMR, ASMR, ASMR. Blue or red first, blue or red first. I think we do blue first. You know why? Cause. All right, here we go. I swear to you, I haven't touched any of these, okay? Just being close to these got me pumped up, man. I don't know if I should do this, dude. I ain't even touched. This is contagious, man. What's going on? Is that how much caffeine they have in this bitch? Just woo! Getting back down to regular volume. Let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, so what am I doing? Am I tasting them? Is this what we're doing? Am I pouring or am I? This is why we are who we are, because we don't care. It's not bad. Am I opening up both of them? Yeah, we're opening up both of them. Here we go. ASMR, back on track. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Nope, not ready yet. Let me know when you're ready. Damn it, he's quick. Did you have Prime before this? Because that was pretty fast, dude. I've never seen you be that ready in your life. You must be on a full charge. Everybody be quiet. We're gonna open up a Prime. I got a confession to make. I've actually tried the blue. It's decent for energy drinks. This one's pretty good, actually. That one's not bad. Wait, I need to clean my palate. Hold on. First time trying the Tropical Red Punch Tropical Punch. Oh, that's pretty good. Actually, you know what? I really thought that I would like this one better than this one because I like blue raspberry, but I guess you can't ever go wrong with Tropical Punch. But I think we're ready for the ultimate taste test, don't you think? We're gonna do the ultimate taste test. Got a little surprise for myself. There we go. Hello, now it's a party. Now, I'll go ahead and lock the label on that bottle there because I don't know the rules here. And this is just a little bit of apple juice that we're gonna mix with the Prime energy drinks just to see what they do. Now, normally I would pour the apple juice first, but because we wanna see the colors, I would just go ahead and pour the Prime first. Is that okay? All right, here we go. Ooh, ASMR, ASMR. Aw, I'm disappointed. Colors are everything. You know, when I pull up the Red Bull and you mix it with apple juice, you know, the colors have to battle, man. You know, they got that blue one that looks purple. They got the orange one that looks red. I guess that's confusing too because it's never the color of the Red Bull on the outside, but it definitely has a color on the inside. But anyways, let's go ahead and mix in the apple juice here. Let's see how these things taste with apple juice, okay? Oh, that is good. Oh, that is delish. No, this one. Winner chicken dinner. My goodness, that is really, really good. Well, I don't know if I'm going to sleep tonight. Let's go ahead and give you some facts here. So 10 calories, 0 fat, 55 milligrams of sodium, 4 grams carbohydrates, 56 grams of calcium. But the big one here is down at the bottom, way at the bottom, contains 200 milligrams of caffeine per 12-ounce serving. And that is a 12-ounce can. So 200 grams of caffeine. I don't know if that's a lot because I never pay attention. But apparently it's been causing some issues, right? It's my understanding. We tried it here. You saw it live. Please be careful. God, it's really horrible that you have to say this, but I guess educate yourself on what you're drinking, especially with energy drinks. Be very, very careful, especially when you're mixing it with apple juice, because it can cause some serious problems. So just a little warning out there. I'm not trying to bummer everybody out, but they really did live me up. As you can see, everything that you saw on camera is the only sips that I actually took. So it wasn't a lot. It's not like I finished a can, but I really, really do feel amped up. I did the taste test. This one's better with apple juice. This one's better on its own. They are very, very potent. I feel very energetic, and you'll check it out on the next video. Whew! This is Logic and Binary. I probably won't sleep for a few days. T-Got, LBJ, thank you guys for watching. X-Guy coming in. And we never say subscribe, click the like button. Everybody's on YouTube. And actually, this could be a real. Everybody on YouTube, man, you guys already know. If you like my channel, subscribe. If you like the video, just hit the like button. If you really like my channel, hit the fucking bell. Hit the bell. You don't have to say it. You already know.
No rules involved, she said, Scott. I figured why I feel you true bizarre, cause that's just who